Myself Vanitha, I am from the Triple department. I am going to talk about the mechanism of lightning. Content definition: mechanism of lightning flash, change formation of cloud, pilot streamer and stepped leader, ground streamer and return stroke, development changes, rate of changing of thunderclouds, equation. Definition: lightning stroke. Lightning stroke is the direct discharge of an electrical charge between the atmosphere and the object of the earth. It is a sudden flow of electric charge between the electrical charge, are also called as the intra-cloud, and another cloud is called CC lightning, and between the charged cloud and the CG lightning. Mechanism of lightning flash: pilot streamer and stepped leader, ground streamer and return stroke, subsequent strokes. Charge formation of cloud: positive and negative ions is there. Negative charges attract the positive charges. Pilot streamer and stepped leader. And development changes. Development changes of a lightning flash and the corresponding current surges. Rate of charging of thunderclouds. Lambda be the conductivity of the medium. There will be a resistive leakage charge from the electric field buildup. E be the electric field intensity. V be the velocity of separation of charges. Rho be the charge density. dE divided by dt plus lambda E equal to rho v. Y power lambda p dx equal to integral theta e power integral p dx plus c. Integral p dt equal to lambda dt. E power e of lambda t equal to integral of rho v e lambda t dt plus c equal to lambda t. E of lambda t equal to pv divided by lambda. E lambda t plus c. E equal to rho v divided by lambda plus c e power lambda t. To find c, substitute E equal to 0 and t equal to 0. 0 equal to rho v divided by plus lambda plus c. C equal to minus rho v divided by lambda. E equal to rho v divided by lambda minus rho v divided by lambda. E power minus lambda t. E equal to rho v divided by lambda. 1 minus e power minus lambda t, and Qs equal to separated charge, Qg equal to generated charge, rho equal to charge divided by area equal to Qg divided by Ah, and A equal to cloud area and H equal to height of the charge region. E equal to Qs divided by A epsilon naught. E naught equal to permittivity of the medium. A equal to Qs divided by epsilon naught E. Qg equal to rho Ah equal to rho Qs divided by epsilon naught EH equal to rho Qs H divided by epsilon naught into rho V divided by lambda. 1 minus e power minus lambda t equal to Qs H divided by V by lambda. 1 minus e power minus lambda t. Model for lightning. L equal to length of the line and R naught equal to source resistance and RL equal to load resistance and L dash equal to impedance of line per unit length. Capacitance of line per unit is represented by C dash U dash into x comma t. Voltage developed at any distance x, It into x comma t. Current through the line at any distance x, E dash into x comma h comma t equal to electric field in x direction at a height h. Zg equal to equivalent ground impedance. Thank you.